it says use the rule of 70. That means 70 divided by the percent to estimate the percentage growth rates or doubling times. So you can either use it as, if you put the percent in there, it'll give you the doubling time, or you can get the approximate growth rate if you have the doubling time. You put the doubling time in for y. So it says use the rule of 70 to estimate the doubling time. So from a population of 6,000 and a steady rate of 2.3%, approximate how long it takes to reach 192,000 if it continues at that rate. So what we would do there is we would take our formula that it says doubling time, so we go y equals 70 over p, and we would put the percent in there, which is 2.3%. So the answer is 70 divided by 2.3, and that is, let's see, with the calculator, 70 divided by 2.3 is approximately 30.4 years. Okay, so approximately 30.4 years before it repeats or doubles, because it says per year there, 2.3% per year. All right, so we would want to figure out how much time it takes to reach this 192. Well, starting at 6,000, that is year 0. Year 1 would be 12,000. It would double, or actually year 30 basically. So not year 1, but 1 doubling. If we're looking at doubling rates, so if we're looking at doubling rates here, so you're at 0 doubling. We're looking at 1 doubling. So then we'd go to 24,000 for 2 doublings, 48,000 for 3 doublings, 96,000 for 4 doublings, and 96 and 96 is 1, so 192, which it figures it would be for 5 doublings, because that's what we're looking for, 192. So it takes 5 doubling times, so it'd be 30.4 times 5 to get the number of years. So that would be 0, 2, and 152, about 152 years to reach 192,000 people, because it would take 5 doubling times. All right, so on part B it says estimate the annual percentage growth rate when the doubling time is 56 years. So in that one, what we would do is just use the formula in reverse. They gave us our number of years. It's 56, so we have y equals 70 divided by p, but y is 56 years. So we would take 56 equals 70 divided by p, 70 divided by p, and we would solve for p. So we'd multiply both sides by p. Cross that out, we get 70 over here equals 56p, and then we would divide. So p is 70 divided by 56, which in this case is less than 2, 1.25. So this rate would be 1.25% per year. That's what it says on the calculator when we do that. Alright, so either way, we can use this formula to either calculate the number of years it takes to double, and then use that doubling if we can count how many times it takes to double up there, and then, or we can take these number of years and stick it in there and figure out what our annual percentage rate is. Annual percentage rate. Alright, so that's how we figure out that problem.